How do we find the value of x and y? It is possible to factor out 2x from these two guys. So we have 2x into y plus 1 over 2 plus y equal to 40. That is 2x times y, that is 2xy. 2x times 1 over 2, that is simply x. Let's continue. Now, let us add 1 over 2 to both sides. Doing that, we have 2x times y plus 1 over 2 plus y plus 1 over 2 equal to 40 plus 1 over 2. This is plus. So 2x times y plus 1 over 2 plus, we can put these two guys in brackets. So we have y plus half equal to, the LCM here is 2. So we have 2 at the denominator, 2 over 1, that is 2. 2 times 40, that is 80. Plus 2 over 2, that is 1. 1 times 1, that is 1. Let's proceed further. You will notice that on this left hand side, y plus half is common. We can pull it out, so we have y plus 1 over 2 into 2x plus 1 equal to 80 plus 1, that is 81 over 2. Now, multiply both sides by 2. So we have 2 times y plus 1 over 2 times 2x plus 1 equal to 2 times 81 over 2. 2 times y, that is 2y, plus 2 times 1 over 2, that is 1, times 2x plus 1 equal to, clearly 2 cancel 2, we are left with 81. The next step now is to consider 81. We can write 81 in a couple of ways. 81 can be written as 1 times 81. 81 can also be written as 81 times 1. We can also rewrite 81 as 9 times 9. 81 can also be written as 3 times 27. Likewise, we can rewrite 81 as 27 times 3. Let's call this case 1 and this case 2, case 3, case 4, and case 5. Our goal now is to consider each case. For case 1, we are going to replace this 81 with 1 times 81. So we have 2y plus 1 times 2x plus 1 equal to this guy, 1 times 81, 1 times 81. By comparing, 2y plus 1 goes to 1 and 2x plus 1 go to 81. So we have 2y plus 1 equal to 1 and 2x plus 1 equal to 81. Clearly, 2y is equals to 1 minus 1. So 2y is equals to 0. Dividing both sides by 2, we have y equal to 0. Likewise for this, 2x is equals to 81 minus 1. 2x equal to 80. Dividing both sides by 2, we have x to be equal to 40. Thus, the first solution, x comma y is equal to what? X is 40, y is 0. This is the first solution. Take note of it. Now, for case 2, we just replace this 81 with 81 times 1. 2y plus 1 times 2x plus 1 is equal to 81 times 1. By comparing, we are going to equate 2y plus 1 with 81 and 2x plus 1 with 1. So we have 2y plus 1 equal to 81 and 2x plus 1 equal to 1. This implies that 2y is equal to 81 minus 1. So 2y is equals to 81 minus 1, that is simply 80. Dividing both side by 2, we have y equal to 40. Likewise for this, 2x is equals to 1 minus 1. 2x is equal to 0. Dividing both side by 2, x is equals to 0. Thus, the second solution, s comma y, is equal to s is simply 0, y is 40. This is the second solution. Take note of it. Now, let us consider case 3. Case 3. For case 3, we will simply replace this 81 with 9 times 9. Let's do that. So we have 2y plus 1 times 2x plus 1 equal to 9 times 9. By comparing, 2y plus 1 will be equated to 9. 2x plus 1 will also be equated to 9. 2y plus 1 is equal to 9. And 2x plus 1 is equal to 9 also. This implies that 2y is equal to 9 minus 1. 2y is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. Dividing both side by 2, we have y equal to 4. Likewise for this, 2x is 9 minus 1. So 2x is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. Dividing both side by 2, we have x equal to 4. Thus, the third solution, x comma y, is equal to x is 4 and y also is 4. This is the third solution. Now, let us consider the fourth case, case 4. For case 4, we are going to replace this 81 with 3 times 27. We have 2y plus 1 times 2x plus 1 equal to 3 times 27. Likewise, as we did earlier, by comparing, this guy will be equated to 3. Likewise, 2x plus 1 will be equated to 27. So we have 2y plus 1 equal to 3 and 2x plus 1 equal to 27. This implies that 2y is equal to 3 minus 1. 2y equal to 2. Dividing both side by 2, y is equals to 1. Likewise, this guy, 2x is equal to 27 minus 1. 2x is equal to 26. Dividing both side by 2, we have x equal to 13. So our fourth solution, x comma y, is equal to s is 13, y is 1. This is the fourth solution. Now, for the last case, case 5, we are going to replace this 81 with 27 times 3. Let us do that. So we have 2y plus 1 times 2x plus 1 equal to 27 times 3. By comparing, this guy will be equated to 27. 2x plus 1 will be equated to 3 also. 2y plus 1 equal to 27 and 2x plus 1 equal to 3. This implies that 2y equal to 27 minus 1. 2y equal to 27 minus 1, that is 26. Dividing both side by 2, y is equal to 13. Likewise, 2x equal to 3 minus 1. So 2x equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Dividing both side by 2, s is equal to 1. Thus, The fifth solution, x comma y is equal to x is 1, y is 2. This happens to be the fifth solution. Therefore, all the solutions that we have, x comma y, the pair x comma y is equal to, the first solution is pair 40 comma 0. The second solution is pair 0 comma 40. The third solution is the pair 1 comma 13. The fourth solution is the pair 13 comma 1. And last but not the least, the fifth solution is 4 comma 4. These are all the positive integer solutions for this beautiful algebra problem. That's it. Thanks for watching.